Tēnā koutou, tamariki mā.
Tēnā koe mātua whaitiri.
A te Māori e tamariki mā.
A te Māori e mātua whaitiri.
Maori ora. Kia ora. My name is Whaitiri Pautawa, where Whaitiri is the Maori word for thunder. And you can call me Matua Whaitiri. That's Mr. Thunder. Ka pai? Kia ora. Before we get underway with our karakia this morning, I want to make a special mention to one of our really, really good friends. George Anderson had a birthday yesterday. He turned 12. And so from my whānau to your whānau, rā whānau ki a koe e hoa. Kia ora. Let's start with our karakia. Kia hora. Te marino. Kia whakapapa. Pounamu. Te moana. Kia tere. Te kārohirohi. I mua. I tō huarahi. Tihei Mauri ora. Ka pai. Let's go. One more time. Kia hora te marino toru wha. Kia hora te marino. Kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Kia tere te kārohirohi. I mua i tō huarahi. Tihei Mauri ora. Peace be everywhere. Let the oceans for your journey be calm, glistening like greenstone. And the shimmering light across the water will guide the way. Ooh, it's good to be alive. Mauri ora. So we've got a new kiwaha today. Before we get into it though, let's have a look at our last two kiwaha. The first one we had was karawhiua. Kōrero mai, karawhiua. Kia ora. A karawhiua was like an encouragement at the beginning of an activity. It's like, go for it. Give it heaps, mate. Yeah, karawhiua. And our second kiwaha, kawanike. Good. And kawanike is an encouragement after the activity is done. Ka pai? So once they're finished, you can say, oh man, you're clever, or neat, or right, or good work, or good job, mate. So that's kawanike. Perfect. And our new one today is ka mau te wehi. Yeah, good. One more time. Ka mau te wehi. Ka mau te wehi. Kia ora. Now, ka mau te wehi is actually used two ways. We're going to look at it in the positive light. So the positive way of using ka mau te wehi is saying fantastic or awesome. Yeah, so if somebody you know or someone around you does something that is actually fantastic, or something happens and it is really awesome, then you can use ka mau te wehi to describe that event, yeah? Ka mau te wehi. If we do the haka and it's really, really massive, at the end of it, we can encourage each other by saying ka mau te wehi. Let me hear it one more time. Good, ka pai. Ka pai. Remember I was telling you that there was two shades of light on ka mau te wehi. Ka mau te wehi can also be used in another way, the exact opposite. So if something was terrible, or if something was really frightening, you could say ka mau te wehi as well. It's the way you say it that would change though. Yes? Yeah. So, ka mau te wehi, I'm going to try and use it as much as I can today. Alright? Here we go. Te mata tātou he whakamahana I te reo. Let's start off with a quick warm-up of our voice with our vowel sound song. Haka mana para tauanga wha. E heke mene pere te uenge whe. I hiki mini piri te uenge whi. O ko mono poro tauanga wha. A e I o u. U kumuna puru tuunga fu. whānau. Kia ora. Let's have a look at one of our other warm-up waiata. Today, let's do them all, eh? Here we go. Paki, 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 tamariki ma. Can you paki, paki? Paki, 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 tamariki ma. E oma, tamariki ma. E oma, tamariki ma. Kani, kani. Kani, 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 tamariki ma. Kani, 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 tamariki ma. E peke, tamariki ma. E peke, tamariki ma. E moe, tamariki ma. Tamariki ma. Kapa. Good work. Whew. Paki ke mai. O mati mati. Don't forget, this is the waiata where I sing, then you sing, but we do the actions together. Kapa. Toru fa. Paki paki paki. Sorry. Paki ke mai. Toru fa. Paki ke mai. O mati mati. Wai wai fiua ki tataha. Takahuri ko wiri wiri. Takahuri ko wiri wiri. Kani kani tatinana. Hey ho. Hey ho. Hey ho. Paki paki. Ka mau te wehi. Mahunga. Pakahiwi. Puku. Hope. Waiwai. Taringa. Fatu. Ihu. Waha. Toru. Fa. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope wai wai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope wai wai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope wai wai. Taringa fatu ihu wahae. Whew. Kia ora. Let's do this. Let's take out everything that starts with a W, eh? So let's take out YY, let's take out Fatu, and let's take out Waha, and let's speed it up. Kapai? No YY, no Fatu, no Waha. Toru, Fa. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope. Taringa ihu Kia ora. Kawanike, koutou kawanike. Tahi, rua, toru, fa. Rima, ono, fitu, waru, iwa, teko. Toru, fa. Tahiru wa toru fa, rima ono fitu waru, iwa te kou, iwa te kou. Tahiru wa toru fa, rima ono fitu waru, iwa te kou, iwa te kou. Tahiru wa toru fa, rima ono fitu waru, iwa te kou, iwa te kou. Toot tira mai ngā iwi. Beautiful song. Lovely waiata. Pronunciation at the start. Tira. Kapai? Kia ora. So, let's go through twice. First time, I'll actions with you. Second time, I'll play the raku raku. So you can action and sing to the beat. Kapai? Here we go. Ki raro. Hope tutira toru wha. Tutira mai ngā iwi. Tātou tātou e. Other side. Tutira mai ngā iwi. Tātou tātou e. Whai o te maramatanga. Me te aroha e ngā iwi. Kia papatahi, kia kotahira. Tātou tātou e. Tātou tātou. Puritia kia mau. He au e hi. Yeah, we love to tira mai, eh? That's right, we sure do. Hey, darling, have you got my guitar pick? Oh, here it is. Blaming her. Here we go. Oh, that's a high key. We'll sing it there anyway. Here we go. Tira mai ngā toru wha. Tira mai ngā iwi. Tātou tātou e. Tira mai ngā iwi. Tātou tātou e. Wai o te maramatanga. Me te aroha e ngā iwi. Kia papatahi, kia patahira. Tātou tātou e. Tātou tātou. Puritia kia mau. He au ahi. Maori ora. Ka mau te wehi whānau. Tutira mai ngā iwi. One of the classics. Here we go. Pretty honey. Since I've got the guitar on, we'll sing it with the guitar. Second time we sing it, I'll put the guitar down and our actions with you, okay? Here we go. Ture nei toru wha. Ture nei e te hau. Oroia, oroia, e te ua. Fiti, fiti a, e te rā. Mahe o ke ngā, o raru raru. Makere ana ngā here. Makere ana ngā here. Kia ora. Woo. Ka pai. Let's have a look at Puri Anei with the actions. Ki raro. Hope. Puri Anei toru wha. Puri Anei e te hau. Off to the right. Oroia and up. E te ua. 4 flicks. Fiti, fiti a. Right. E te rā. 2 scoops. Mahe ke ngā. Down to hip. Wararu raru. Double clap touch. Makere ana ngā here. Makere ana ngā here. Hey. Ka pai. Puri Anei, one of our favourites. I get a lot of feedback
from our whānau saying that pūrea nei is one of their favourites.
And those of you who did the quiz, by the way, the results of the top 3 were in. You would have seen in the quiz that heaps of people actually did get 20 out of 20. But the rank 1st, 2nd and 3rd is actually how fast you are able to answer them. So let's keep that in mind for next time. Sticking with Matua Hirini Melbourne's beautiful selection of waiata, let's go through Pūrere Hua. Hand out, butterfly on top. Let's get ready to go, whānau. Toru wha. Pūrere hua, re runga hau. Papa ki pari rau, re runga hau. Ka piki runga rau ae. Papa ki pari rau, re runga hau. Ka tau runga pua wai. Ka whānau hua, a pūrere hua. Ka tahi ka rua, ka toru ka wha. Ka ru, ka re, ka puta e whawhe ano. Pūrere hua, re runga hau. Papa ki pari rau, re runga hau. Ka piki runga rau ae. Papa ki pari rau, re runga hau. Kia ora, ka mau te wehi. Karanga mai, again a very popular waiata. We sing it twice if you didn't know. The first time we just sing it normally. Second time, we're going to zoom through it. Here we go. Kiraro, hope, taru wha. Karanga mai, piwai waka e. Tuki mai, piwai waka e. He manu, kori, he manu, fia, piwai waka e. You ready? Karawhiua, toru wha. Karanga mai, piwai waka e. Tuki mai, piwai waka e. He manu kori, he manu fia, piwai waka e. Whoo, ka mau te wehi. Great energy, whānau. Well done. Ooh, she's a cracker, I tell ya. Good work, mate. Good work. Ki raro, hope, tihe, toru wha. Tihe, mauri ora. Tihe, mauri ora. Ngā iwi o te motu e. Tuake. Tuake karangatia, tuake manakitia, ngā iwi kia ora tahirua toru wha, hia wehi. I love Tihe Mauri Ora, such a beautiful waiata. It's a welcoming song, a waiata that reinforces your hospitality to your manuhiri. Yeah, really cool waiata. Let's sing it with the raku. You can choose to action along. Can't remember the actions, make them up. Get some singing on. Tihe mauri ora. Ooh, that's really high. I regret playing it there now. I'm gonna go back down here. Toru wha. Tihe mauri ora. Tihe mauri ora. Ngā iwi o te motu e. Tuake karangatia. Tuake manakitia. Ngā iwi kia ora. Tahirua toru wha. Hia wahi. Tihe mauri ora. Mauri ora. Alright, whānau, grab your poi. Get your poi out. let's get underway with a little bit of erere taku poi. You got your poi? Are you ready? Awesome. Kapa. There were a few poi questions in the quiz, and I'm really glad that almost everyone answered the question as to whether or not poi was just for girls or if poi was for boys and girls, for men and women. Yeah, and almost everyone answered that correctly. So that was really, really cool. Here we go. Kiraro. Hoppe! Poi karite! Erere taku poi tarufa! Erere taku poi kirunga! That's up. Kirunga! Erere taku poi kiraro! Kiraro! Erere runga! Erere raro! Erere roto! Erere waho! Erere taku poi kirunga! Kiraro! Kiroto! Kiwaho e! Poi karite. Ka mau te wehi. Our poi song number 2. Poi poi e tarufa. Poi poi e re re atu poi poi e re re atu poi poi e ti patu a ti patu mai re re atu ti patu mai ti patu a ti patu mai re re atu ti patu mai au e hey hey ha au e hey hey ha au e hey hey ha au e hey hey ha. Ka mau te wehi.
Wow.
So much. I think our next waiata is going to be Rona. And one of our lovely waiata. Okay. So let's go through Rona twice. First time I'll run it through with you. We'll do the actions. Second time I'm going to jump on the guitar. And then you can choose the action or poi with it. Okay? But for now though, poi away. Let's go about actions. Kiraro. Hope. Ta koto ana au toru fa. Ta koto ana au I te moe uri tuake au. Titiro ki te atarau. Kei rungara. Te marama e whiti ana kai he arona. Kei rotora. Piri ki te toho. Piri ki te mai o. Au era. E rona e. Au e rona. Kapa hikarua. Au e hi. We love it, eh? Absolutely. Are you ready? Yeah, we're ready. Let's do it. Ta koto na au I te moe ngā uri tuake au. Titiro ki te atarau kei rungara. Te marama e whiti ana kei he arona. Ke rotora. Piri ki te toho. Piri ki te mai o. Au era. E rona e. Au e rona e. Ka mau te wehi whānau. Of all of the songs that we're singing at the moment, te reo wise, this is probably the most technical one because it doesn't follow a consistent te reo pattern like a lot of our other songs do. You know, there's no repetition in there, so it's really, really cool that you're able to keep up with the learning of that waiata. That's awesome. Thank you so much. So, let's have a look at our Anzac Day waiata. We'll do puatarau, we'll do pāmai, and then we'll read through the ode in Te Reo Māori, and we'll also chuck the national anthem in Te Reo Māori there as well.
You said at the start you were doing the Haka.
Yeah. And then we'll do the Haka, and then we'll quickly do Tēnā koutou. If you haven't guessed by now, today's session's going to go well over time. So here we go. But you can pull out at any time you like. Kia hope, puatarau, tōru, whā. Puatarau, e moia i hone, e haere ana koe ki pāmamau. Haere rā, haere rā, ka hoki mai anō, ki te tau e tangi atu nei. Puatarau. Kia ora, ka pai. Short song, beautiful waiata. Puatarau. We're going to sing it today with the raku raku. Don't worry about the actions for now. Throw your eyes over the words. Follow it through. If you're still learning the kupu, if you're still learning the words, kei te pai. I want you to make as many mistakes as you want. Yeah? I guess this run through is just about finding your rhythm with the song, finding when you're going to move through each line and getting your tongue around some of the pronunciation in there, like haere rā, pāmamau, hoki mai anō, you know, these really diverse sounds in those lines. So keep up, whānau, here we go. Find the key, there we go. Puatarau, e moia i hone, e haere ana koe ki pāmamau. Haere rā, ka hoki mai anō, ki te tau e tangi atu nei. Kia ora. And as I was playing through that, I realised that was way too low for you guys. So I am going to chuck it up into A. It's going to be out of my range, but we'll give it a go anyway. Here we go, whānau. Puatarau, tōru whā. Puatarau, e moia i hone, e haere ana koe ki pāmamau. Haere rā, ka hoki mai anō, ki te tau e tangi atu nei. Ki te tau e tangi atu nei. Puatarau. Kia ora. Maori ora whānau. Beautiful. Pāmai tō reo aroha. We started this one this week as well. It's part of our Anzac Day selection. The name of the waiata is Pāmai. If you're just joining us, you didn't learn it yesterday, don't even stress it. As soon as we start, you're going to be like, I know this song already. Yeah? The one kupu you might not be familiar with though is remutaka. So in the second line here, you add in the closest military base to where you were, or to where our whānau were. And the closest one to us here in Stokes Valley is in Trentham. Okay, and so that falls into the remutaka catchment, which is why we put remutaka in there and not Hikurangi or wherever, Here Taunga or Ohākia. So we put our own little hometown in there. Kapa? Here we go. Play it up in A as well, yeah? If it gets too much for me, we'll change it later. Here we go. Pāmai tō reo aroha, ki te pā o remutaka, haere mai, haere mai. Titiro, titiro ki ngā hoia, kua e henei. Au e te aroha me te mamai. E ngā iwi o Aotearoa, kia kaha, kia manaua nui. Hey. We'll jam those actions over real quick. Here we go. Pa mai, tore, fa. Right hand. Pa mai, tore, aroha. Scoop clap. Ki te pa, ore mutaka. Double clap, right hand. E ngā iwi left. O Aotearoa. Slap, haere mai. Haere mai, haere mai. Four looks. Titiro ki ngā hoia, kua e henei. Scoop clap. Au e te aroha me te mamai. Double clap, right hand forward. E ngā iwi o Aotearoa. Kia kaha, kia kaha, kia manaua nui. Hia wehi. Yes. Ka mau te wehi whānau. Ka mau te wehi. Great work. Awesome. Here we go. National anthem I roto te reo Maori. Ko riri koutou, are you ready? Karawhiua. E I hoa atua o ngā iwi matura. A ta whakarongona me aroha noa. Yahua ko te pai, kia tauto a ta whai. Mana ki tia mai, Aotearoa. Maori ora. If your neighbours couldn't hear you today, yeah, then you need to lift your cane. Alright? Kia ora. So, we've had our pānui came out from the Ministry of Defence in regards to Anzac Day. It has been confirmed that there will be a live broadcast. Yeah, you can tune into it live. I'll paste the link, or I'll paste that information onto my page after this. But in the program, 6 o'clock this Saturday morning, in the program, you tune in live, and with everyone else around Aotearoa, New Zealand, standing at the end of your driveway, you'll be listening to the same broadcast. And in that broadcast will be the national anthem in Maori and English. Kapa. Couple of other things as well, plus the Ode of Remembrance will also be recited in Te Reo Māori and in English. Kapa. Here is our Te Reo Māori version. Now this is a lot of Te Reo Māori to learn. What you can do though is at least be familiar with it, so that when you get to the final line you'll recognize it, and then you'll be able to confidently repeat Kia maumahara tonu tātou kia rātou. Yeah, we will remember them. Alright? So what I'll do today, just like yesterday, I'll read this through, I'll get to the final line, I'll slow it down a little bit, and then I'll gesture to you to join me for that final line. Say it after me. Ka maumahara tonu tātou ki a rātou. Hapai. Ka maumahara tonu.
Ka maumahara tonu.
Tātou kia rātou.
Tātou kia rātou.
Ka pai? The whole line. Ka maumahara tonu. Tātou kia rātou.
Ka maumahara tonu. Tātou kia rātou.
Ka pai. Awesome. Ka mau te wehi. So here we go, whānau. I'll read, I'll get to the final line, and then I'll gesture for you to join me for the repeat. Ka pai? E kore rātou, e kau mātua tia, pēnei ia tātou, kua mahue nei. E kore hoki rātou, e ngoi kore, ahakoa pēhia i ngā āhuatanga o te wā. I te hekenga o te rā, tainua ki te aranga mai o te ata, ka maumahara tonu tātou kia rātou. Ka maumahara tonu tātou kia rātou. Kia ora. Ka pai. We're going to go over this every day this week, so that by the time we get to Saturday, you'll be confident to respond when the live broadcast reads through the Ode of Remembrance in both Te Reo Maori and in English. Ka pai? Kia ora. If you have any questions about the Ode in Te Reo Maori, please flick them through to me. Happy to answer the questions, or at least direct you to somebody that can answer it. Ka pai? Kia ora. Alright. Baby, are you joining me for rako?
Yeah, looks like it's me.
Okay. So I've got Samara today. She's going to join me for rako. So I'm going to do a quick... by the way, whānau, we're pretty much at the end of our time. So if you've got stuff to do, hey, don't stress it. You can always look back on this part of the lesson later or recap the rako workshop. How's that?
Yeah. Make it too hard.
Okay. And then if we've got a little bit of time after this, we'll go over tēnā koutou and hoki hoki. Ka pai?
By the way, sorry, you're not in it. What part do I use to put it up? Oh, just that whole thing. Yeah.
You can go back a bit if
Yeah.
you need to get us in
I'm
the
going
shot.
to.
Yeah. Right, here we go, son. Face me. So let's pick it up. Let's pick it up from boom, chick, touch right, touch left. Ka pai? Boom, chick, touch right, touch left. Let's pick it up from there. Toru, fa. Toru, rua, tahi, ka pai. Now let's turn that boom, chick, touch right, touch left into a throw right, throw left. So it'll be boom, chick, throw right, and then throw the left straight away after it. Ka pai? So throw this one and then throw that one. Toru, fa. Daisy, that's my throw. Change your hands over. Yeah. One more. That was good. Alright, now the other one that we were doing last time as well is we're doing the inside-outside throw. So I'm going to go boom, I'm going to go chick, I'm going to throw my tūrako inside the Jardin. You want me to throw outside? Okay,
No,
I'm going to...
I want to put it beside.
Yeah, because that's the harder catch. The better of the two catches should be catching out, because that's a lot harder, okay? So here we go. Boom, chick, throw. 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 Last one. Boom, chick, throw. Ka pai. Now I want to revisit the challenge that we looked at a couple of weeks ago, which was the continuous throw challenge. And how that challenge works is you go, swap your hands over. You go boom, you go chick, and then you throw right, and then throw left, and then throw right, and then throw left, throw right, throw left, throw right, throw left, throw right, throw left, throw right. And you're trying to count as many consecutive throws as you can before the catches get messy or somebody drops. Okay? So here we go. Have a look. See if we can get to 6, eh? Toru, fa. Boom, chick. 1. Just 1. Toru, fa. Boom, chick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kapa. So that was about 3, but you get the idea of what we're trying to achieve, right? Kapa. Hey, there's one other thing that you can try if you have more than one person, more than 2 people in your bubble. What you can try is you can try the circle pass. And so what that looks like, if Charlie and I sit almost next to each other, so you sit there, you stay there, that's fine. I'm just going to turn there. And I want you to imagine that somebody else is sitting over here, okay? So we go boom, we go chick, hold up your right hand and push it out to the right. So Jarden, you're going to change hands. You're going to push that one out there, kapai. So I would be passing to Jarden, Jarden would be passing to Samara, and Samara would be passing to me. Kapai, there's one there, babe. And here's another one here. So hopefully you can see all of us. Cool. So we go boom, we go chick. I'm going to pass to Jarden. Jarden's going to pass to Samara, and Samara's going to pass to me. All right. Now the hand that throws is the hand that catches. Okay. So we should only be using our right hand today. All right. So let's throw that back. Okay. Are you ready?
I know your right one to throw in.
Boom, chick, right hand throw. Toru, fa. Good. Again. Again. Ano. Ano. Cool. Good work. So if you got the idea of that one, if you're able to see that one, that's really cool. By all means, give that one a go. And if you and your bubble are really successful at that one, I would love to see it. You can private message it to me, or feel free just to post it straight to the wall. Kapai. Kia ora koutou. Right, Samara, if you want to have a quick jam on that camera, I know we're going well over time today, but you can check out any time you like. But you can never leave. See what I did there? A little bit of no. That's too young. Okay. So we are just going to revisit a couple of waiata just so we don't lose our momentum with them, yeah? It'll take us 10 seconds just to have a quick remember through these 2 waiata.
They're going down.
Kapai.
Who's this one, Jordan?
Because you had the them.
Here we go. That one there's not clipped in. Here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Hoki hoki, kiraro, hope, toru, fa. Hoki hoki tonu mai, te wairu wa o te tau, ki te awhireina, ki tēnei kirie. Ki tēnei kirie, ka pinaia. Ka pinaia koe au, ki te pine ho te aroha, ki te pine e kore nei, e waikura tahiru atoru wha, hi au e hi. Maori ora. One more to go, and then you guys can go have lunch. Okay. Again, repeat song until we get to the blue, where we all join in together. Kapai. If you can't see the words, don't even worry about it, because you just repeat after me. Yeah. Toru, fa. Tēnā koutou, e ho ama, kua tai mai nei, I tēnei wā, no reira rā, e hoa mai, kia ora rā, katoa. Kua rongo hoki ahau, kua rongo hoki ahau, kua rongo hoki ahau, kei te haere mai koutou, no reira rā, e hoa mā, kia ora rā, ko te katoa. Maori ora. Ka mau te wehi ka wanike. From my whānau to your whānau, Maori ora.